new in. New in. New in is mean hospitalization. New is mean enter. In is mean the hospital. So this mean new is mean enter or entrance or insert, right? In is mean hospital. This means you enter to the hospital, right? So in here they say hospitalization, and we say in Japanese like new in. But when you enter to the hospital, it means that you get ill, or you get hurt something, and you want to get good, better. You want to get your health recovery. So you go to the hospital. They say new in, right? Not just enter and you don't get hurt anything. Does not mean like that. And as you see here, we had the example like 私の父は先月から入院しています。私の父は先月から入院しています。Which means my father has been hospitalized since last month. My father has been hospitalized since last month. 私の父 is mean father, and 私の is mean my father. 私の父 is mean my father. And 先月 is mean last month. から is mean from last month. 入院してます is mean hospitalized. That mean this case not mean that first you have the two meaning. The first meaning that mean if you get hurt and your health is poor or get not good, so you go to the hospital and you sleep in the hospital from last month or since last month, and now you also stay in the hospital. This they also call 入院してます. But in some cases, it means that you just got hurt something and you go to the hospital and the doctor gives you some medicine, and after that you go back home. But 1 week you have to go to the hospital 1 time or 2 times per week. So in a case like this, they also say 入院, right? 入院してます. This means you have to go to the hospital and come back home. Go to the hospital and come back home. Or another case, it just like at the last moment I explained that you go to the hospital and you sleep in the hospital until now. They also call 入院してます.